guys, and welcome back to my channel. Sakafet. Hope everybody is doing well. To all my subscribers, thank you. And if you're new to this channel, welcome, darling. So guys, today I'm giving you a very quick back to school hairstyle. I love this hairstyle so much. Actually, this reminds me, if you can see, this reminds me so much of my childhood days. This was a style, you know, that was very popular back home. We basically use rubber bands and do some stitching, but I just find it so cute. Don't you find it cute? I ain't put no makeup. I'm legit giving you realistic back to school. I just like fixed up my eyebrows a bit, put on my glasses, like I'm getting back to school, but ain't that cute? Honey poo poo, this is cute. This is actually just a continuation from my natural hair video. If you've not seen my wash day routine, check it out. I'm just doing this very quick style because I gotta go on a move tomorrow. So I find, like, you know, I decided to try this hairstyle. It's an absolute success. What do you think about it? I think it's great. It was fun doing this hairstyle, and so I'm not gonna keep you. You already know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Obviously, there's a lot more natural hairstyles coming up. There's so many things we can do for our natural hair, you know, and look cute, somewhat like, you know. I really like this hairstyle. Like it. It's trendy. It's coming back, but this is so pretty, boo-boo. This is so pretty. Let's get into it. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna make you look at this style. I'm not gonna interrupt, I'm not doing a voiceover, but I'm just gonna say, take a look at exactly how I'm parting my hair. You want to ensure that you make the parts for every section fall on each other if you want to get that web effect. But you could just watch the video. Also, in the ending, all I did was I added my fomos, I did my edges, and I tied with my wrap. But yeah, this was a quick and easy style, and I really do hope that you enjoy. I tried to leave as much in there so you could see the process. So if you have any questions that you was unclear about anything, feel free to leave me a comment. But otherwise, thank you for watching again. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff.